So, you're a publisher looking to migrate your catalogue of children's stories into the digital global marketplace. Welcome to QBook, digital publishing made easy. Let's have a look at the standard QBook for iPad, and later, the QBook Premium. Clicking the icon on your desktop or dock will load your QBook. If you have a theme song for your title or series, by default it will start playing here. All text is touchable. You can swipe to read the title,
Millie, Molly, and the Bike Ride. We may look different, but we feel the same.
and every word in the book from here on in. To turn a page, simply swipe it across. Or you can turn the book on its side and flip through the pages like this. Every QBook has a This Book Belongs To page, a great place for kids to personalise their QBook. What makes QBooks unique is this.
It was the perfect day.
Swipe to read.
Was.
Tap to hear.
Perfect. P-E-R-F.
And double tap to spell in multiple languages. Top left is the Home button. From any page in the book, you can simply press the Home button to return to the title page. If you're on the title page and press the Home button, it will fade out the theme song. The next icon is the Options. In here, you can reset the owner's name, turn the background music on and off, adjust the narration and painting options, and also find the credits. Tapping the flag icon will display a list of languages included in the book. Simply touch the desired language to select it. The book will instantly change into your new language.
骑车旅行记，我们看起来不一样，但我们心是相通的。
Next is the Help feature. Tap this icon and the helping hand demonstrates how to use your QBook.
No. Podemos. P-O-D-E-M-O-S.
Now, let's click the autoplay icon.
Millie, Molly, and the Bike Ride.
As you can see, the book now plays without having to touch the words.
It was the perfect day for a bike ride.
To stop the autoplay function, touch anywhere on the page. Swipe to read.
It was the perfect day.
Tap to hear.
Perfect.
And double tap to spell.
D-A-Y.
iPads come with a built-in microphone, and tapping the microphone icon here opens a menu from where you can start recording.
It was the perfect day for a bike ride.
Tapping the screen will stop the recording, and when you select My Narration and either swipe or autoplay, voila!
It was the perfect day for a bike ride.
Children of all ages love to colour in, and the next feature we'll look at is colouring in. Start Painting strips the page of all colour and presents you with a pot of colours, a scalable brush, a zoom tool, and an undo button. When your masterpiece is complete, tap the tick and you're back into the book. You can protect and reset all paintings and narration from the options. The last page of each QBook has a dynamic advertising page that displays the 3 most recent titles from your catalogue, each of which has a Buy Now link. These images are pulled from our website. If the iPad is not connected to the internet, a default image is displayed. QBook Premium includes all of the features of a regular QBook, but with some very special extras. Animation, sound zones, and background atmosphere.
Yeah!
Each page can have a separate soundscape to enhance the visuals and to add to the story, bringing places and characters to life. Objects can be made to move. People blink, say things when touched, and even fly around the screen. QBook Premium is the ultimate platform to launch your next book into the digital arena. QBook, bringing your stories to life.